Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you talk about me, I'm also fit as a fiddle, fantastic, fantabulous. And as you know, my name is Pooja Prabhakar, and I'm here over here to practice my communication skill with you. And you know very well I'm a English enthusiasm, and I just create my YouTube channel to practice my communication skill. And today in this video I'm going to share about a beautiful topic about overthinking. So my dear friend, overthinking means thinking too much about a situation, problem, or future events. When we think overthinking, so our mind doesn't rest. We keep repeating the one thought again and again. This habit make us feel tired and confused and stressed. Many people think about past mistakes and fear of future. Because of this, they are unable to enjoy their present moment. Overthinking doesn't solve any problem. It only creates more worries. For example, instead of taking action, we we keep asking ourselves, what if this goes wrong? What will people think? So this stops our growth and reduce our confidence, because a calm mind always works better than overthinking mind. So the question arises, what do you do reducing overthinking? So to reduce overthinking, we must learn control our thought. For that, we should deep breathing and writing our thought on the paper, and focusing on the present moment can help a lot. We should always remind ourselves that not everything needs an answer immediately. Sometimes letting go is the best solution. A peaceful mind always bring a better solution, a better decision, a better communication, and a happier life. And regarding this topic, I want to share something about me. I am someone who used to think too much when I started my YouTube channel. At the same time, I also started my speaking practice. In the beginning, I overthought a lot. I kept thinking, what if something goes wrong, or what will people think if I speak incorrectly. So because of this thought, I started losing my confidence. But as time passed, I reduce my overthinking and start making video and practice every single day. And now you can see I'm able to speak English in front of you. So my dear friend, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So believe in yourself, keep practicing, keep learning, keep shining. So if you put your 100% effort, so definitely you can achieve what you want. So with this hope, I will meet you tomorrow with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.